Good morning everyone. This time, haha, it's Canoe. And we are going to ski today. And ours is not ready. Are you ready?
No.
It's okay. We will have fun today.
We're on the bus. We're heading up to Gross Mountain. It's raining. Hopefully it's not raining on the mountain. Maybe it'll snow, I don't know. We missed the bus twice. Part of that's because I was talking on the phone. And another one, we were late. But we're on the bus. We're on the lift. About to go up Gross Mountain. There's so many people on this lift. There's Canoe. Here we go. We just made it to the top. I'm excited. It's snowing. This is kind of ridiculous. Snow everywhere. Canoe! It's snowing. What?
Of course it's snowing.
I know. Wonder where we get our gear. Everybody, we're putting on ski boots. These things are such a pain in the butt to put on. I hate them. What do you think of ski boots, Canoe? Canoe, what do you think of ski boots?
No thoughts.
Canoe has no thoughts on ski boots. I think we're the only people here at this mountain skiing in jeans. Yep, that's right. This is Oz. Don't know how well you can see me. It sucks out here. Like, it's because I don't know what I'm doing. Canoe's about to ski. We're gonna watch him ski. I'm gonna go second. We gotta get footage of us skiing. Go for it, Canoe. This is Canoe skiing. Canoe, we've kind of skied. What do you think?
Okay.
I've fallen like 8 times.
You will get used to it.
I don't know. This sucks, man. I don't see if you guys can see. We're on a lift right now. This is like a snow plow or something. This is gonna be a long day. We're lost on the mountain. There's snow everywhere. Canoe! Now Canoe's putting on skis. I don't think Canoe's fallen down yet, but I've fallen down a few times. I can't really videotape while we ski because it's hard enough to hold onto the pegs as it is. Ooh. Good luck, Canoe. Tell the camera something in case we die. He's just laughing because he knows it's true. Okay. I don't know, Canoe, but it's recording. Everybody, you're looking at Canoe. He just fell twice, like me. He fell once, and here he goes. I'll be shortly behind you, Canoe. Good luck. There he goes into the abyss, everybody. You can't see where we're going. He doesn't want to go down. Okay, hold on, Canoe. Wait, I'll come with you. Are you videotaping me trying to get these? Okay, here I go. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, we're on the side of a mountain. Keep falling down. It sucks. It's cold. I have snow in my pants. What do you think, Canoe? You're videotaping.
I'm freezing.
My hair's frozen. Just crash landed at the bottom of the mountain.
I'm okay.
Check out some. We're on the ski lift. My knee hurts really bad.
Canoe's okay, of course.
Lucky bastard. So, our second attempt at skiing isn't so bad. We found a hill that isn't completely kicking our butt.
What do you think, man? What do you think of this hill, this easy ski hill?
Yeah, that's for beginners.
This is like the beginning of beginners. This is like, I don't know. But it's kind of sad because like we're skiing with a bunch of little kids, but it's cool. I don't care.
Canoe, say something for the camera.
I like ski.
Canoe like ski. Very nice. Very nice.
4 or 5 times.
How many times you fall down, Canoe?
Maybe 4 times.
I fell down about 12 times. Canoe got done with a big hill that kicked our butts this morning about 20 minutes sooner than I did. I re-hurt my ankle and just kept falling down because I didn't enjoy the pain. And I was scared of hitting people. Surprisingly though, as many times as I almost hit people, nobody hit me. So Canoe, what do you think about skiing?
It's fun, but sometimes hard.
Yeah, it's fun, but it hurts.
Canoe, we're going up the lift. We just got done with that hill. What do you think? Look at this, guys. I don't know. It's really foggy, but. So what do you think, Canoe? Yeah. It's
much safer going up this on this thing than going down the hill. The hill's very scary, especially to people who can't ski like me.
Got anything else, Canoe? Hi, Canoe. How are you?
Good.
Canoe just told me he's frustrated, tired, and wants to go to bed. Now he's smiling.
That's right.
He doesn't want everybody to know. So Canoe, tell the world what you think about Gross Mountain.
It's pretty much. I think it's fun, but you know, ski hurts sometimes.
I completely agree. I feel like I've been hit by a grizzly bear twice.
Oh wow.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Grandstand to the Skyride. In just 50 moments,
We're on the Skyride, Canoe.
Just try a little bit so you might like to steady yourself. If you have any questions on the way down, please
Yep. So Canoe and I just flipped a coin to see who would take the first hot shower when we get back because we're cold. The Canoe won.
So I get to be cold for a while Canoe's just in there living it up. Hey guys. Canoe and I are tired. We're gonna go to bed. We ate food. It was good. Had pizza. Canoe's just hanging out over there. Tomorrow we're going to the university here in Vancouver. Pretty cool. Good night, everybody.